Today we're going to do a massage exercise with a ball into your lower back. It's going to be great to get into any tension in your lower back, into the erector spinae, into the glutes, and you can use it in many areas. I put my ball in a sock today just because it's a little bit easier to control. You don't have to, but it is a bit easier. So all I'm going to do is lie on the floor, pop your feet flat on the floor with your knees bent, and just pop the ball under your back, wherever you're feeling that tension. So I'm just going to find that spot where I need it to be. Oh, there we go, it's a nice click. So the ball is just there, and then all you're going to do is just rotate that leg out to the left and right and back in. So the leg comes out and then back in. As you're moving that leg, it's massaging the muscle that's over the ball. If you would like a little bit more pressure, just drop the opposite leg down onto the floor and continue. So that's just giving a bit more pressure onto the ball. Okay, and then lift up. You can also pop the ball into the lower of the back and just bring the knee up towards your chest. Again, as you're lifting the knee, it's stretching those muscle fibers over the ball. And if you wanted to, you could also just pop the ball up, staying on your feet, lifting your bottom slightly off the floor, and then using the ball just to massage into that area. And there you have massaging into your lower back.